Hey guys, welcome to tutorial video. Today we'll be learning how to disable end-to-end encryption on WhatsApp. And now let's dive right in. Now to turn off or disable the end-to-end encryption in WhatsApp, first open up your WhatsApp on your phone. And after that guys, you'll be on this interface, whereas at the top right corner of the screen, you can see there is the three dotted icon available for us. Tap on that three dotted icon and tap on settings option available for us. And over here guys, you'll be required to go to the chats, which is just below the avatar. Tap on chats, and over here guys, you can see the chat backup at the bottom of the screen. Scroll down a little bit and you can see the chat backup again. Tap on it, and again at the bottom of the list you can spot the end-to-end encrypted backup option available for us. Now to disable it, tap on it, and you can tap on the turn off button over here. You'll be required to enter your password of your encryption, which you had registered earlier on WhatsApp for the encryption. And let's tap on turn off, and let's tap on done. And there guys, this is how to turn off or disable end-to-end encryption in WhatsApp. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.